Setting up and running a modeled network. This video builds on creating a new project and network. You must watch that video and do that exercise before watching this video. Begin by selecting the abstraction node. We will then go over to the node data and select the edit flow button. We will go over to options, change the type. We want to change the type to PyWR data frame. Select OK. Okay, so now we're going to add one column and one row. We will then go over to our data. There will be a link for this data in the video description. We will highlight the date column and select it. Copy it. We'll then paste it in column 1. We will then copy scenario 1 data and paste it in column 2 or column B. Then click Save. To define a water abstraction demand, we'll first select the water abstraction node, go over to Node Details, and set an allocation penalty. We will set it as -99. This is a very low value, which will make this a high priority allocation location. We will then select the edit button for the max flow. Select scalar. We're going to set this as 0, as in this baseline scenario we will have no water abstraction. Then click Save. In order to set up the simulation period and time step, we will first go to Network Data, click it, go to the inputs, and make sure all these values or inputs are descriptors. As you can see, the end, start, and time step are all descriptors. So we will first edit the start. We will change the format to a text format. We'll then go to our data, choose the first date, copy it, paste it. Make sure it is in the YYYYMMDD format. Then click Save. We'll then go to our end, edit it, change the format to text, go to our data, select the last date, copy it, paste it, save, and then we will change our time step to a text format. Now your options are D for day, W for weekly, M for monthly, and Y for yearly. In this situation, we'll use D. Then click Save. So here we're going to run our baseline scenario with 0 water abstraction. So to do that, we will first click Run. Running our baseline scenario. Everything looks good, and click Submit. Okay, now that the run is complete, we will go to our water abstraction node. We can see the plot for the simulated flow in the output section. Click the edit button for simulated flow. Go over to plot, and as expected, it is 0 all the way through. Okay, so we will now clone the scenario. We'll click clone. We'll change the name to with abstraction and click clone. Okay, now we will change the max flow value to 5. Click save. We will then run our scenario with abstraction. Click submit. Okay, now we will click on our abstraction node. And looking at the simulated flow value, we click edit, go to the plot. As you can see, sometimes it is not 5. This is because the catchment node flow is lower than the demanded abstraction at these times. You can also compare to our other scenario, selecting the other scenario and hitting the play button, and then you can compare. Thank you for watching.